Hi everyone, this is Chris. I work at the library and I'm going to show you today how to complete a Beanstack mission so you can get a little badge and an entry into a raffle. So you want to go to your browser and type in jackspubliclibrary.beanstack.org. Click enter and it's going to take you to the Beanstack page. Up in the upper right, you'll see a button that says sign in. Enter your email address and the password that you set up when you signed up. You're going to see this page. This is the starting page for summer learning for all the missions. What you want to do is go, first of all, make sure that your reader is the reader that you're looking for. So Beasley is my 3-year-old, so I want to make sure that Beasley is selected, and then I'm going to go to log reading and activities. There's Beasley again, and what do I want to log? So today I'm going to log an activity. Let's look for the Jazz Baby activity. So it's Little Movers and Shakers Jazz Baby. So we're looking for it, and there it is, the one with the little jazz player. So click on Little Movers and Shakers Jazz Baby. Now, as you scroll down, you'll see a little description of what it is and what the whole activity is. And you need to complete at least 3 of these activities in order to get a badge and a raffle ticket. So obviously you're going to want to do the Mr. Joe one. Mr. Joe is a fantastic librarian, real energetic and enthusiastic, and kids and parents absolutely love him. So you're going to play that little video. And
Oh, hello.
once you do that, you just put a green check mark in the box to say you did that video. And then here's Darian. Darian is another fantastic youth librarian. She's going to play the Tap Your Sticks song with you. So you're going to get some sticks out and tap them along and do a little singing. So you play that video. When you're done with that, you can check off that you finished that one. And while you're playing the Tap the Sticks, if you want to see what the lyrics are to the song, they're all written right down here, so you can follow along, or you can do this later. And then you just need to do one more activity. So there's a drum parade, there's a high and low parachute. This is a good one. It's my instrument's finger play. So you're going to use your fingers to do some little things, and finger play helps with dexterity, and those are some pre-literacy activities. When you do that one, you check the box, and boom, you got your badge. And you get, along with a badge for completing the Little Movers and Shakers, you get a ticket to enter a drawing. Click on Enter the Drawing. You have 1 ticket to spend in the ticket drawing challenges. And for this one, you can get a magazine subscription, a playtime set, or we did some rhythm things. So how about Get the Rhythm? It's a little music set with a xylophone and some shakers and a book. So you add your ticket, and there's your ticket. Enter, and that's it. Now you're entered in the raffle, and at the end of summer, we'll be drawing those raffle prizes, and you can see. So, see, it'll just take you about 10 minutes. You can finish this great activity, have a lot of fun with your kids, and make the summer really valuable. So, thanks so much, and if you have any questions, just let us know. Have a great day.